Here's Chester. I looked out to see if there was a bear. There's not a bear, but there is a cat in the tree above the bear hole. He has been, him and Mitzi, all day long. Every time I look out there, they're out in the field. There can't be that many voles, surely. But they find something to interest them. Here he comes. Oh boy. He must have spotted me. He was my bear hunting partner the other day. He sat on my lap and scratched me. That was him helping while we waited for a bear. Who needs a bear though when you got Simon? Simon's lurking over here. Simon does that nowadays that he's retired. He lurks. He lurks and he waits for the other cats. There he is, lurking. Showdown. Simon, lurking. Poor little Chester, you're about to get it, buddy. Simon, you're evil. Yeah. Are you evil? Here he comes. Simon the evil. He's just waiting. Chester does not seem to know he's in any peril. Now he's making his move. Simon, be nice. Leave poor Chester alone. He didn't do anything. No, he's not going to leave him alone. He's got to go hunt him down. Where is that little whippersnapper? I shall find him. Simon, you're so mean. Are you mean? You gonna go get him? Gonna creep up on him? Creepy cat. Simon, lord of the farm. There's Chester. Hiding. In plain sight. It's a slow showdown. It usually is with Simon these days. Chester, you're pushing your luck, buddy. He doesn't have no idea. Are you pushing your luck, bud? Go ahead, make my day. I'll get you. You gonna get him? You're gonna take your own sweet time, but you'll get him eventually. It's the long game with Simon. Yep, one of these days.